force of the impact, delivered at over 20 miles per hour, is enough to kill a human instantly. Two layers of skull protect their brains. Fighting lasts for hours. The crack of 30-pound horns colliding can be heard more than a mile away. Finally, the young challenger surrenders. For him, this winter will be a lonely one. The fighting ensures only the toughest genes will be passed on. Survival in the Rockies demands nothing less. At the top of the world, along the coast of Russia's Chukchi Sea, thousands of Pacific walruses anticipate the coming winter. That's when the ice sheets form that they depend on to survive. They fled south when the northern ice melted completely. Now mothers and calves bob in the surf. Sooner or later, though, they'll need to come ashore on a beach already packed with bad-tempered males. Time to haul out. Desperate latecomers have no choice but to climb. With 20,000 walruses on the beach, bodies stretch far up the slopes. They've reached a critical mass. Two-ton giants clamber over a heaving sea of flesh and tusks. Before finding a spot, a walrus can travel half a mile without ever touching the ground. "200-pound youngsters flounder in the increasing chaos. Inevitably, the crush proves deadly for some. But now, a sign of hope. Snow, the signal they've been waiting for. With winter bearing down in the far north, the sea should begin freezing again. The promise of ice calls them away from the deadly beach. Ice floes will allow them to rest in between deep dives for clams and mussels. Finally, they can spread